This is from the company Gear Hugger. I have used some of their lubricant in the past, and then what I decided to do was pick up some of their rust protection and their heavy duty degreaser. Let me just kind of like go over their rust protection first, you know, restore, reuse, reduce. And what this is, believe it or not, plant-based, eco, non-toxic rust proofing. How crazy is that? It is a rust protection that's non-toxic and it's plant-based. Pretty awesome that you got a company that's actually went out of the way to try to make something a little more user-friendly and a little better for the environment here. Number one, it comes in a really nice looking can. You know, it has this little bear on a bicycle. Kind of looks like me riding my bike around. This removes and protects against rust and corrosion. So I have my little multi-tool knife here, and what happened was I went down to the coast and you can see a little bit of rust building up there, a little bit of rust there. So I figured I'd try to use this stuff and see how this comes out and see if this actually works. Rust protection, turn our throwaway society into a upkeep culture. They recommend it for metal tools, motor vehicles, plumbing and fixtures, fencing and chains, and marine equipment, which is, you know, that's pretty good. Removes rust from metal surfaces, preserves gear long-lasting, non-flammable barrier. Oh, that's interesting. Protects against rust, corrosion, displaces moisture. Directions on this: you want to shake can, spray directly on rusted surface, let set for 10 minutes, remove rust and debris, scrub area with a brush, which I have there, and a wipe, which I have a microfiber wipe, protect against rust and corrosion. How about that? And now looking over the degreaser here, the degreaser is a spray on surface, leave for 15 minutes, brush surface as needed, rinse, water, repeat. Engine parts, appliances, tools, recreation. I won't need the degreaser today, but I just wanted to show y'all the package I got here. That once again, this is also, you know, oh wow, that's made with upcycled agave plants. They've used agave plants as a degreaser? Huh. No VOCs. How about that? How does it smell? Does this thing have an odor? And it has a locking cap, so you just want to turn the cap. Wow, that comes out. Oh, that smells actually really good. Let me spray some on my... It got a little bit of the rust off. Let me go ahead and spray it down with the rust protectant. Shake that up really good. Turn it on. So there's the rust there. So I had rust on the end of the pliers there. A little bit of rust underneath there. Where else? I think I had it on the... Oh, right here's where I had the rust too. See that rust right there? We'll let this set and let it like soak in, then I'll come back and clean it up. So let's do that. Okay, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes and you can kind of see right here, I'm going ahead and starting to clean it up. This is working extremely well, everybody. See the rust right there? Let's see how well it takes that rust out of there. It's broke it almost completely down to nothing. Keeps hanging up on the... Yeah, look at that. And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to lubricate this down with their lubricant that I had. That looks really good. Only a little bit's left right there. Got a little bit on my table. Wow, that's almost completely... I mean, we're talking one little dot. That looks so much better. Yeah, I recommend this stuff, everybody. If you haven't had a chance to check out these Gear Hugger guys, I recommend this. I've used their lubricant on a lot of other stuff, on my doors on my van, and just hinges and things like that. So I'll be using this my next car wash. I'll use this on my engine and then do like an engine degreaser, kind of wipe down, and then the rust protection I'm going to put on all of my tools like that. That actually shined it up nicely. You can see a little bit there. I could probably do it one more time and get that off, but you know what? I'm happy with the results on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Gear Hugger rust protection and engine degreaser, or just degreaser. See you all in the next video.